In today's video, I'll teach you how to remove your profile picture on X. First of all, launch open X application. You can see over here X has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to remove your profile picture, for that what you have to do is tap on your profile picture that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option profile that you can see at first. Now you'll be led to the profile interface of your X. So what you have to do is simply tap on your profile picture that you can see at top. Now over here you'll be able to find this option for edit. That means you'll not be able to remove your profile picture. So if you would like your profile picture to be removed, what you have to do is simply follow this trick. First of all, go to any browser. Now after you do that, tap on the search bar. After that, what you have to do is simply search for gray silhouette icon. Search for it. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Simply tap on any of these images. Now after you do that, what you have to do is download this image. For that, long press on the image. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option, download image, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, this particular image will be downloaded. Now simply go to the X application. Now tap on the edit option that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find two options over here. Take photo, choose existing photo. Tap on this option, choose existing photo, that you can see on the screen. Now what you can do is simply upload the gray silhouette icon that we just downloaded. Simply tap on that particular image. Now tap on the done option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you can simply move this image and scale it according to your choice. Now tap on the use option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now wait for a while and your profile picture will be updated and it will look like you've removed your profile picture. So that is how you remove your profile picture on X. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.